A series of quiet but significant movements inside Zimbabwe's security establishment are beginning to review a broader restructuring of command influence within Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF, as Colonel Millie Baloyi's reassignment from a powerful intelligence post coincides with possible elevations within the Presidential Guard command structure. Taramira Mash Kobra Yopangwa shown Mnangagwa slides in for elevation as Baloyi is reassigned. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tip down no more than the changes, which began with the removal of Baloyi from his strategic role inside the Military Intelligence Directorate MID, that is ZDF House, have triggered speculation about a wider reconfiguration involving several key figures within the military. Baloyi had for years occupied a highly sensitive position in the intelligence chain, reportedly acting as a central processing point for intelligence reports coming from both the Zimbabwe National Army and the Air Force intelligence branches before those reports were escalated to senior command structures. A reassignment has therefore drawn attention far beyond routine personnel rotation. Military insiders initially attempted to calm speculation by explaining that Baloyi had served 6 years in a post typically limited to 3, suggesting the move was part of a normal institutional rotation procedures. However, a circulating political memo claims the developments may form part of a larger strategic realignment within the defense establishment. Naka was a blue-eyed boy. Currently, Army Commander Asha Watata will be promoted to ZDF Commander, replacing Emmanuel Matatu. According to the memo, Baloyi could still be promoted to the rank of Brigadier before eventually retiring from the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. Such promotions prior to retirement are not uncommon in military systems and are often used to ensure senior officers leave the service with honorable recognition of their rank and years of service. The scenario unfolds. Baloyi's reassignment from military intelligence could represent the beginning of a controlled transition rather than a disciplinary removal. The same memo suggests that Presidential Guard Commander Fidelis Monda could be among the officers positioned to benefit from the broader restructuring. According to the defense insiders, Monda is being linked to a possible elevation to the powerful position of Chief of Staff, a role that sits at the center of operational coordination inside the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. The Chief of Staff plays a crucial role in the managing operational planning, command, coordination of communication between different military branches. An elevation of Monda into the office would represent a significant shift within the ZDF command structure. The memo also points to a chain reactions that could follow Monda's potential elevation. If Monda moves from the Presidential Guard command into the Chief of Staff position, the leadership structure within the Presidential Guard would need to be reorganized. This is where the name Sean Mnangagwa, the son of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, begins to appear in the internal discussions. Sources say Sean Mnangagwa is currently undertaking the Joint Command and Staff courses at the Zimbabwe Staff College, a senior officer training program designed to prepare officers for higher command responsibilities. Completion of this course typically positions officers for promotion into senior operational roles. According to the circulating memo, once Monda leaves the Presidential Guard command structure, Sean Mnangagwa could move into a more senior operational role within the unit, potentially as commanding officer of the 1 Presidential Guard. The memo further speculates that this could eventually lead to his promotion to full colonel, a rank that would automatically place him within the senior command hierarchy of the unit. These developments come against the backdrop of a broader shake-up within Zimbabwe's intelligence structure. Doma developments aripo muri yeZimbabwe ezviri kuitika right now mumabarracks. Penda comment section medu za fungo enyu moti kunipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.